Why is the screen so dark?
Oh no, my battery is empty. My phone is dead. Where is my long cable? Is it under the cushion? No. Maybe it is behind the lamp.
I must find it quickly.
I usually charge it here.
Here?
It is not beside the toaster. Is it on the table? No. Nothing is inside this drawer. Did the children move it? I am getting very frustrated.
The cable is not across the seat.
Is it among the laundry? Laundry? I am looking through everything. I need a power source. Oh, is it underneath the toys? It is not atop the desk. Ooh, not between the clothes. I follow the wall with my hand. I will look past the door. It is not around the water. Nothing is beneath the rug. I am thinking very hard. I am walking towards the fruit. I found the adapter. The cable is by the bin. This is the USB port. This. The key goes into the wall. And
I plug it into the outlet.
The phone is on the wood. Now it is connected. Look! It is charging now.
Only 5%.
I will wait for 10 minutes. Time moves slowly today. This apple is very sweet. I am walking down the hall.
It is at 20%.
The battery is getting full. I am going to the shelf. I love reading stories. Or Stakers Horror is versucht tasso. I am sitting in my chair.
The light is very warm.
This is a good book.
"30 minutes is enough."
I am back at the phone. Tabi Senon. Whoo.
50% is great. I can use it now. I swipe the screen up. This photo is very cute.
The phone is ringing.
Hello? I found my charger.
The milk is very fresh. I am carrying my technology. The sunset is starting. Almost ready for my walk.
I unplug the cable now.
I put the tools away. It belongs in the box. I look ready to go. Ho! My phone is in my pocket. The air is very cool. Walking is good exercise. A bird is singing above. I am on time today. I am at the street corner. I am at the street corner. It is good to be home. Technology is helpful, but sleep is better.
Charge your phone every day. Goodbye.